Hello people, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make pulao. So here are the ingredients. Capsicum, carrots, onions, beans, tomato, peas, boiled peas, jeera, Pav Bhaji Masala, then garlic and then 2 cups of rice. So take a deep pan and put 2 tablespoons of desi ghee and let it melt. So as it is melting, first I am going to add jeera. So as you can see, the jeera has started to crackle. Now I am going to add the capsicums. Then we will mix it little bit. And then after a minute or two, we will add the carrots. So now I'm adding the carrots. And then mix it. After 2 minutes, we will add the onions. So I'm adding the onions. And mix it all. As you can see, the onions color has changed. So now we are going to add the beans. As you can see, the beans are also cooked. So at this point, we are going to add the tomatoes. So now we are going to add salt for taste and let it cook for a while. Also, before adding the garlic, the tomatoes needs to be mashed. So the tomatoes are mashed, and now we are going to add the chopped garlics and add the Pav Bhaji Masala. So now I am adding the peas. These are boiled peas. So that's why I am adding them in the last. Look at the veggies. They are so colorful. So now at the last, we are going to add the rice. And mix it completely. See how nice it is looking. Also, we can add salt per your taste. Switch off the flame and take out the rice in a bowl. And here it is ready to serve. So people, I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell notification icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get notified. Also, if you have any suggestions or queries, please let me know in the comments below. See you later. Bye.